The feeling of abundance is the feeling of well-being. It's the feeling of good attracting. It's the feeling of good creation. My point of attraction isn't just about money flowing. It's about ideas flowing and people flowing. And when people and ideas and money flow together, it's so exhilarating to be able to merge all of those things together, of people and places and ideas and the means to accomplish it. It's ease. It's fun. It's full. It's who I am. I feel invincible and complete and sure and eager. Before you know it, you're just on top of the world, because your point of attraction has been enhanced, and you are rich with a vibrational offering that just brings this and this and this and this and this. And besides, the reason that you want any of that anyway is for the feeling of it. And once you accomplish the feeling of it, now you're there where the details have to fill in. It is law. It must happen. It has to happen. It can't not happen.